What's up? Welcome back. My name. Today we are learning if hearing aids, this is a sign for hearing aids make you hear better. So there's two different parts to this question that I understand at least. Is it that without your hearing aids, like when you wear them and then you take them off, does it make your hearing better? Or is it like with your hearing aid, your hearing is better? And the first one to that, no, I don't think when I took my hearing aids off, my hearing was better. I feel like I just found the impact of hearing more. Like when I took them off, I was more aware that I couldn't hear a lot. And then my hearing, when I have hearing aids in, I wouldn't say it's better. I would say that sound is more amplified, if that makes sense. It's just really hard to concentrate on the person.